Welcome to this Blender quick trick video about shading with the Shrinkwrap modifier. Here's a cup and a handle. We can connect this handle to the cup via modeling. Well, it's a bit tedious. Let's use the Shrinkwrap modifier for it. Under Deform, you find Shrinkwrap. Select this cup as target. The whole handle snaps to the cup. Definitely not what we want. We want only the front parts of the handle to snap to the cup. Here's what I'd do. Add 2 edge loops, select both. Slide forward with double G. Then select this part and press Alt plus S to push it out slightly. Next, go to Data and to Vertex Groups. Add a vertex group and add this selection to the vertex group. Press Assign at 1.0 weight. Once we enable Shrinkwrap and select the group, only the handle snaps to the cup, but it's still not great. We can improve this by adding a subdivision surface modifier to the handle with Ctrl plus 2. And placing the subdivide modifier above Shrinkwrap. It looks better. Now this isn't perfect yet. We could add a complex modifier like data transfer. Select the cup as the source to transfer data from the cup to the handle and the vertex group, so it only transfers data to the vertex group. Activate face corner data and custom normals. This is necessary to override normal data. Now it's still not ideal, but we need to disable the outline for clarity. The issue is there are 2 separate objects and we always get a line around it, but only in the viewport. Not in the render, but if we want it ideal in the viewport too, we need to disable outline for now. This shading issue, we can fix it for sure. I use tangent project and above surface with Shrinkwrap, not nearest surface point. Then nearest face, interpolated in the data transfer modifier. This makes the normal recalculation safer here. And we can make a cup, something others can't do, just with many handles in seconds. Important, even with above surface. If I push it too far in the cup, it won't work. Now it snaps to the surface of the other side. It should at least be close enough, just barely. And here, it's struggling. So I'd recommend either moving it further away or at least making sure they touch. If you have a smooth surface, you don't need Shrinkwrap. Let me make a pole, something sticking out of the ground. I want to merge this with the ground. I can add a bevel modifier to this pole. Add a minimum of 2 segments. If I close the top, I get a bevel here. Closing the bottom also gives a bevel. But I can flip this bevel. It's currently pointing in this direction. But I can flip it here at Mesh, Normals, Flip. You see, the bevel goes outwards. Now I can snap this to the bottom here. And of course, add the weighted normal modifier. We could use just 1 segment, but I recommend at least 2 for a visual appealing transition. With very few modifiers, this only works on smooth surfaces. Thanks for watching.